Test.
I trade one micro contract only. All right, so first things first. Daily trade card. Today's daily trade card, December 5th. Goals from yesterday. Hold the runner, either BE to RTP, because anything can happen. Yesterday, I think I exited my runner because I was afraid it's gonna become a break even, but then it ended up 100 points. 100 points or something, which took a while, but still. Anyways, interact with the established balance, not before imbalance, meaning whatever has confirmed itself to be responsive is the area that I want to interact with, and not like just make stuff up, right? Okay, check Forex Factory. Forex Factory. We have news at 10 AM. Let's see the top high time frame stuff. So yesterday, yet another day where we spent time in this
I understand the absolute
distribution.
necessity of these principles of consistent success and therefore never violate them.
Thank you, Derek. So we've spent some time above this distribution, but then sold off, which to me is a bit of a sign to, I mean, it's mixed. We're within value, so this could be a potential reoffer spot, 660s, to traverse this distribution. Well, let's see what's going to happen. I would like to see us to stay within value and maybe traverse it, but at the same time this is like a 3-day or 4-day CV now. Would like to see some action in either direction, really. Don't really care which way it's gonna go. Now, for the monthly, once again we got above previous month's value and sold off. Again, weekly and monthly are currently the same. Contextually, like peaking above monthly value and then going back inside of it, the previous value anyway, that to me screams bearish sign, unless during the TH open we and during news are gonna shake things up, of course. But anyway, on the week we touched +2 on the week, sold off inside weekly value, now currently retesting this level, picking above it, but this could be a good spot for reoffer, 640s, 50s, to traverse this value. Or, well, at first we have weekly Vwap, which has been proven to hold 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times even. So this is definitely a spot to watch. 520s. I would like us to go inside weekly value, retest this spot, and continue pushing lower. Will that happen? I don't know. Likely not. Any hypo I come up with, they usually don't play out the way I want. But regardless, the point is we are inside value at the moment, or just above it slightly. So let's see what's going to happen during the RTH. Weekly Vwap, definitely a good spot for a bounce, and then reoffer here. Okay, back to the journal. So 2 levels, 660s for a reoffer, 640s, 660s, and then rebeat 520s. Going to take a screenshot, paste it in. 660s reoffer, 520s rebid, is what I have going on today. Let's see. Trading dashboard this week has been decent. Average win is greater than average loss. All the losses are cut at 1 hour. My risk management software has been running nicely, protecting me. It didn't have to even kick in. Just the thought of it being there and enforcing 10 minutes breaks mentally makes me not do stuff that I would normally do, which is nice to see.
Never let a single position decide your future.
That's it. That's it, Derek. Preach, man, preach. Alright, so yeah. Obviously, so overnight we pumped up above value. This was a nice reoffer spot at ETH +1, sold off pretty hard to the point of control of this distribution from yesterday, and it's likely the point of control for this composite value area. 590, yeah, exactly the same. And this is where we found PID again. Currently slightly above weekly +1, edging the value high. Could be an interesting spot to reoffer. But I'm going to wait for RTH to see what it's going to show us. Which direction the wind is blowing, you know, the delta, how strong it is, stuff like that. And we have news at 10 in 35 minutes.
Big buy.
Well, definitely there's some strength to this buying. Pretty heavy candles on the cumulative delta. That shows defense of price.
I get out of the position if it doesn't start to work out immediately, before it hits my stop loss.
Yeah. Kind of. I try to reduce it when it makes sense. Whoa. That's quite a buy sweep right there. Looking at the footprint. We are at Vwap. Does that mean it's going to reject it? No. I need evidence of rejection. I don't want to make the same mistake like I did yesterday. Just narrating, really. We have 1 minute till the open, or even less. Like, we're definitely out of weekly value. Above it, anyway. We've upheld like 4 times. The bulls are defending price for sure. Have 20 seconds.
Big buy. Big sell.
Alright, market is open. Opened up above value after that little sell-off. So that in itself is quite you know, quite bullish sign. We are pumping. This is very strong. Yeah, this looks bullish.
Big sell.
I would say at least 840s would be nice as a target. POC shifted all the way up here.
Big sell.
So we just pumped to 400 delta and now we're back to 0.
NQ. Weekly
Big
plus
sell.
2 touch.
I see what's happening. I know what I need to fix. I need to fix
Big
a
sell.
bug. Well, this is... something to watch for sure. Just casually pumped up 200 points. Delta is 200. This is usually a sign of a training environment. So Was 400 delta. Can we get a pullback? A bit of Vwap. Buying at weekly +2 is not the greatest idea after a 200 points pump.
I call it a day after 3 losers in a row.
Do. It's interesting how everything can change in an instant. First, bearish outlook, inside value, want to traverse value, just catapulted up to 100 points casually. Do not really want to engage with this. Bit of a stall. A node is built. We left a small node behind. I mean, it looks bullish. 500 delta. LVN. Let's see, ever since here, not a lot of selling. Buying +2 is dumb. Weekly +2 anyway. But I've seen instances when we were almost at +3 on the week. Okay, Vwap, I see you. Maybe a retest of delta neutral would be nice. We are at Vwap, so I wanna try this. Point of control. I would have been in. Decided not to try it. Definitely some buying, that's for sure.
I always wait for pullback to initiate a position.
Yeah, this was the pullback to RTH Vwap, but what is this? Like 36-point range after pumping 200 points. Anyway, Delta, what am I seeing here? A wick, a bit of absorption going on from buyers, I mean from sellers. Sellers absorbing. We have this nice node here. So we are at 0 pretty much. Minus 90, we tagged -1. -100.
NQ, -1
Okay,
touch.
-400
Big
now.
sell.
Quite a sell-off. -2, good spot to buy. Am I interested in any trades here? Is the question. Buying at
Big
+2
sell.
on the week was not a good idea, and that shows. Selling is quite hard. -650, so I'm just gonna start tracking the start of this sell-off. Some heavy sloping on the band. -1000 delta. Real quick. Interesting. So +1, super heavy volume here. Sold off hard. Are we gonna get back to value?
Big sell.
I'm buying.
The
Doesn't
next
seem
shot
to
is
be
more important than your last mistake.
Thank you, Derek.
Bias check-in. What is the current outlook? Are you trading what is? Are we imbalanced / trending or rotational? Is Vwap holding?
The current outlook is this. Above value. Vwap not holding. Well, once. But this pump. Is this the pullback of this pump? I'm not sure. We're above value, that's a bullish sign. See some bids stacking here, that's
Big
a bullish
sell.
sign. We are at -1. If this holds, it could mean continue to continue pushing down. Not a lot of buying on the tape still, I mean. So this selling did not equate in the same kind of price movement. So that could be a good buying opportunity, which I might engage in actually. Yeah, that's encouraging to see some strong buying coming in, thrusting us upwards. I would like to see us back to 760s. Wouldn't want the Vwap to hold. I'm selling, not very strong by the looks of it. Although the buying itself is also not very strong, we just need a strong push up. Okay, risk-free trade. Wouldn't want to see Vwap holding. It might be. To be holding.
You will
Not a
grow
good sign
more
for
as a
me.
trader from the things you do outside of actual trading.
Definitely sloping downwards.
sell.
Is Vwap going to hold here? We are definitely doing some selling action here, but it's not equating the movement in price. I like to see this stacking, supporting price. But this node being built is not something I'm very fond of. I have to hold even though it's uncomfortable. I have to, because anything can happen. I would like this tagged to get one off and then hold my runner to 800 if it's realistic. We're chewing through. Not very happy with seeing this on the delta. Buyers, wake up. Difficult to hold at the moment. I will take one if it fills me. Bastard. Classic exit into... Oh yeah, we have news in 10 minutes, I forgot. Good that I have reminders. Do I want to hold it or do I want to just take it here? My 40 points away is not that far away. I don't like the struggle. I have to hold it. It's one of my goals for the day. Not a lot of buying either. Selling not a lot, buying not a lot. Like, the fuck is this, bro? Although, but selling seems to be absorbed. Or? So +1 has been tagged. This is where sellers stepped in on the gas. Do I want to hold into the news or do I want to close it right here and snap my profit? Snatch it, whatever. Some sideways action in delta, but in price we are up. 9 minutes until news. Can we run the high? Maybe a stop run is what I will take. And look for exits.
NQ +1 touch. NQ
Okay,
weekly
I need
+2
to
touch.
fix this. Weekly +2 touch. This is where we were. A little stop run, and I'm out. Can we get a little stop run? Just a tiny stop run, please. Every time I exit early, it actually does it.
Never commit all your capital at once.
Little stop run. No? Come on, you wanna do it. You want to burst up. Hmm? There you go. Is that all? Is that all? That's not as violent as I wanted it to be. Come on, burst up. There's some strong buying, by the way. Maybe I should hold my runner even longer. We get 800. 830 is on the high time frame where I would look for an exit anyway.
Big buy.
Okay, +2 tagged. I'm taking it. I'm not gonna be a dick for a tick. Hey man, just came across your channel. You have a nice looking microwave workspace. Thanks, bro. You're the first ever viewer that I have. So welcome. I'm doing this I'm mainly live streaming to insert the conscious thinking into my trading and speak out loud to myself to improve, because I'm just I'm a struggling trader, let's put it this way.
Big buy.
But yeah, if you are you in OFL, bro? I think I've seen you in the Discord. Because I'm a member there too.
Big buy.
%90 of my studies at the moment are self-written. I vibe coded a bunch of shit because default studies of Motivwave are nice,
Big
but
sell.
not exactly what I want. Alright, good that I exited here. It did clip 800. But okay, I'm happy with the trade. It was 42 and 86 points. Not bad. I have a 10 minutes break on my risk management tool. I mean, I found some your live stream came up. Yeah. Oh yeah, I mean I've put it in my activity bar, you know. Might as well get a few viewers if people are interested. Why not? But I'm by no means you know, a profitable trader. I'm just on a journey trying to adjust it with things I can.
NQ +1 touch.
NQ plus
Big
1
buy.
touch.
Anything can
Yeah,
happen.
well,
Big sell.
Jose, if there's anything you see that you like and you use Motivate, feel free to hit me up. I can share some of the things that I've built. For example, this cumulative delta, you see the default one includes the pre-RTH data, which would mess up the scale pretty badly. And I hated that. Like if I add default cumulative delta right now, that here it says reset at RTH, right? But I don't want to see all this shit. And then if I try to move it, it doesn't move, or it scales up and down. It's so annoying, and they don't do anything about it. We have 1 minute until news. We have this high time frame chart as well. TPO and Vwap. So we're above value. There's this little distribution, not very prominent, I'll be honest. Not very distinct. But it could be a potential spot. Oops. Ultimately, I'm interested in this distribution right here, which is like three days combined. But yeah, looks like we are leaving this distribution for now.
Big sell.
Oh, news came out. Is it priced in?
NQ, weekly +2 touch.
+2 touch. So strong buying from the buyers. Let's say I'm gonna track it from here, from the low right here. Strong buying, sure, the price went up. Cumulative delta is still in the minus.
Big buy.
Does this mean absorption? Negative delta, yet we are up. Not very interested in buying anymore unless we sell off to, again, like this area. Here or here. We are at weekly +2, so we're definitely at an extreme. Not very keen on buying anything up here.
Turn FOMO into JOMO. Joy of missing out.
Thank you, Derek.
NQ plus 2 touch.
So we are definitely supporting an imbalance up. Point of control is at 765. Some offers at 807 just got filled or lifted. I would say, well, this is an interesting spot purely because this value area it could give, but ultimately maybe 970 is the ultimate target. I don't know. We are above +2 on the week. That's an extreme, but there is definitely some force to it. I don't know, like all this selling. Okay, we are flipping positive on the day. Some very strong buying came in just now, 450 positive delta. We flipped from 700 up, minus 1000 to the downside, and now we're back to neutral. But price wise we're way up there.
Big buy. Big sell.
Big buy, big sell. So this level was holding 780s, I mean +1. Could be something like that to continue pushing higher. But it's quite an extreme, I'm not sure. It needs to open up a bit. These channels are quite small, 30 points each. Not that impressive.
Big buy. Most traders think they lose because their analysis is wrong. That's not it. They lose because their position is wrong.
Thank you, Derek. Preach, man. Preach.
Big buy.
Nothing to do here at the moment. I'm just gonna import my trade.
Big sell.
Oh, nice. 2.1 hour. Big.
Big sell. NQ +2 touch.
+2 touch. We are grinding up, huh?
The real wealth isn't in the money. It's in the clarity that comes after you've lost enough times to stop pretending you're smarter than the market.
Rude, Eric. Thank you.
Big buy.
We are on the grind up. Riding that +2 extreme.
Bias check-in. What is the current outlook? Are you trading what is? Are we imbalanced / trending or rotational? Is Vwap holding?
We are definitely imbalanced up, obviously. We held this level +1 on the day on the RTH Vwap. We are on the weekly a bit on the extreme above +2. But it's not surprising. We had instances of being at an extreme at like +3 or something, so it's all good. 124 points, so that's +3 somewhere here at 900. This distribution on TPO is at 970, so 900 is somewhere here, which corresponds to this high of this daily candle. So it could definitely be a good target, or at least like a reaction point. So yeah, bit of a crazy day, not gonna lie. Started off with a nice pump, then a sell-off, then a nice pump again in the first like 5 minutes or something. Oops.
I journal every trade.
I do. Well, nowadays I do anyway. Before it was very difficult. Nowadays I try to.
NQ plus 2 touch. Big sell.
Big sell, what's happening? I'm not paying attention, I'll be honest. And I had a good trade and don't want to ruin my weekend by giving it back. I mean, honestly, it doesn't really matter. It's some one funded account with trading micros, who cares?
Big sell. I call it a day after 3 losers in a row. Big sell. The market doesn't punish you for being wrong. It punishes you for staying wrong.
Alright, so what the fuck is going on? +1 is holding again, although POC just shifted. Not a good sign for buyers. Usually that means someone is loading up a little bit. At least from my experience, of course. Cumulative delta, we went negative again. Is this a change of character? Fuck. Something like that. Can you send me your DOM footprint and time and sales templates? DOM footprint and time and sales. Yeah, sure. Hold up. See, how do I do that? My DOM is 4ticks. Compressed, by the way. But you can change it yourself, of course. Not sure if I can actually... Not sure if I can export time and sales. Rename, delete, close. I cannot export that. I can send you the settings I have. And footprint. Okay.
The next shot is more important than the last mistake.
That's right, Derek. Thank you. Just give me a second. This template I found on Motivate forum. Someone just made a YouTube video on how to make it. This is from Carmine Rosado. This is his style of footprint. Templates. You use Motivate 7 by the way, Jose? Because I'm running 7. I'm not sure if... Oh, okay, cool. I just send you a message. Here's the DOM and footprints. Assuming that's you. Yeah, that should be you. There you go.
Big buy.
You're welcome. No problem. Yeah, you're Motivate 7. Cool. Sorry, I just catching up to your message. This. Am I showing the right? Yeah. This is interesting. POC shifted, volume shifted to the high. This usually means it's gonna, well, can mean anything. From what I've seen, it's just gonna slowly sell off and then find a bid back up. But +1 held again.
Every man has greed inside him, but not every man learns how to master it. The way to master it is not by wishing it away, but by sizing your positions so that greed does not tempt you into ruin. Control your size, and you control yourself. Control yourself, and you control your trading. A man who sizes right can sit still. A man who sizes wrong must always run.
That's it, Derek. Preach. Thank you.
NQ, plus 1 touch. Big sell.
So, I mean, there isn't much to do here for me. Buying here is not a good thing, I would say. We're at +2 on the week. It's at an extreme. I wouldn't mind a short somewhere here in this area, but I'm just gonna sit tight and observe. So on the high time frame, we did reach this point here that I had marked, this little value area. I don't know if it's important, but we rejected here once and twice, November 6 and November 12. I don't know. We're kinda above it all at this point. Maybe we're gonna reject here at 900, which isn't far away. Well, okay, it's 70 points away, but still. So looks like we are, I mean, there's this LVM at 820s, 815s.
Think in probabilities, not certainties.
Minus 650 delta on the day. Let's say I'm gonna start tracking with my little vertical line from here. Some not very strong buying anymore, but at the same time all this selling does not equate to the same amount of movement on price. Like from here to here was something from here to here, right? But then all of this did not equate into the same amount of movement. So that usually means, I would say, absorption. The play is to look for longs, I would say, but where? Unless we sell off even harder, then that's gonna change the outlook. Approaching RTH Vwap. This is where we found some buying. Obviously RTH Vwap is higher, but
big buy. NQ, weekly +2 touch.
Weekly +2. I mean, a short opportunity would be something like acceptance below and the retest of this level to continue lower up until +1 maybe. There's some buying coming in for sure. On the footprint, on the cumulative delta, equates in price moving higher. We were just shy of a few points of tagging RTH Vwap. Looking at the volume profile, this looks incomplete, like. So I would say we are definitely going, well, not definitely, anything can happen, but there's a chance it's gonna revisit the high.
Bias check-in. What is the current outlook? Are you trading what is? Are we imbalanced / trending or rotational? Is VWAP holding?
Are we imbalanced? Yes, we are. Well, technically not anymore. We were for a bit.
Never let a single position decide your future.
That's it. Are we gonna buy? Are we gonna find buyers here, or is this going to look something like that? Where we reoffer 840s to cross the value and find buyers at -1 to continue higher, to revisit this this high, clean up this high.
Big buy. Big
Was some
sell.
spike in selling, no? Yeah. If this holds, there can be potential for moving higher. Just looking at this buying that just came in, like from this line onwards, we pushed up, then we are pushing price lower, but on the cumulative delta it's not as low. Well, now it is. Okay. Is Vwap going to hold is a question? Not really planning on taking any other trades, but I like to watch price develop and maybe come up with some hypotheticals.
Big sell. If there is no pullback, there is no trade.
That's it.
Big buy. Big buy.
Why the sell-off? Yeah, this was definitely a telltale sign, or whatever it's called. The POC shift. Was there an entry though? No, I don't think so. Some decent buying coming in. Looking at the footprint, looking at the cumulative delta. Like this drop, this candle got
Big sell.
bought up. That's interesting sign. Whoa. What the fuck is this? Look at that dome. They're going for that, no? If they're not gonna pull this.
NQ, minus
they're
one
going
touch.
for it. They want this liquidity. Well, we are at -1 now, so that's an interesting spot for a potential buy.
Big sell.
Like, I don't know why I find this so funny. Just blatantly having this on. Let's see.
Big sell.
Gonna get filmed? Or is this just profit taken?
Big sell.
Yeah, I would say that got failed, or I didn't even notice. Judging by this dump, definitely. Holy. I mean, there's definitely a bit of a reaction here.
I never
from this
dollar
little
cost average.
blob of transactions.
Big buy.
Someone just stacked their order, moved it higher maybe.
Big sell.
Definitely some bids getting processed, so to speak.
Big sell.
Alright, some pause.
Big buy.
I'm selling, getting absorbed. Could be a good spot for a reversal. Wouldn't mind trying a long right here, but I'm not gonna take it. Let's say I took it on simulation. Just because we went up, tried selling, and now going higher. Does that mean it's not gonna go lower? No, but we found some buying. Yay. It's good to be able to recognize that anyway. And it still slapped me in the face, absolutely. Especially because this move up is not really not yet equating in a strong candle.
Big
on the
buy.
cumulative delta. There is some signs of absorption though, like this wick. Can we hold?
Big buy.
Now is the time to hold. This selling is almost at this equal low, so to speak, but the price is higher. The buyers need to show some force, otherwise they're gonna get run over.
A man who risks small never does in one day. He can lose, yes, but he loses in slices, not in gulps. He learns from each mistake without being crushed by it. And over time, those small survivable losses are outweighed when the tape runs in his favor. Isn't it the kind of game that you want to play, where you live long enough to see your edge shine?
That's it, Derek. You're absolutely correct. There's some buying absorption here as well, by the looks of it, judging by this wick. But again, equal loss on the delta, but we are higher in price. So this is definitely favorable to bulls, but they need to step on the gas now. Otherwise, it's not very good news for them. Yeah, I mean, I'm narrating this, but I don't have a horse in this race. I just placed a trade on a sim account, just to see if it works out or not. -1 seems to be holding anyway. These buyers need to step on the gas a little bit. They're battling it out for sure. That's promising looking buying coming in, quite strong. Still getting absorbed. Not a good look for the buyers. Just because we weren't able
-1 touch.
build off of this candle right here.
My process is a better trader than I am.
Yes. Some aggression coming in here. Will it equate into anything substantial? Okay. Buyers failed. Or was this a stop run and now buyers are looking? Step on the gas. In any case, I'm gonna be done for the day. I had one nice trade here. Let's wrap it up and call it a day. Oh, no, that's not it. Right here. Don't know why on simulated account it shows the line nicely. On this account it doesn't. Why?
add only to winners.
So,
NQ, -1 touch.
hold the runner either to BE or TP. I think I did hold the runner to a reasonable price, which was 800. So I would say that was a success. It was difficult to hold, but I did it. Interact with established imbalance, not before. Yeah, I can't say I did that. If I were to do it, then I would have missed my long. So yeah, it's a bit tricky. Review mental game, I would say A. Technical game, I would say also A. Tap on the back. Tap myself on the back. Well done, me. Mental game was good. Technical, the read was also good. Only one trade was made. Too hard. What can I improve on? Can I improve on? Well, today no highlights on this department, only one trade. Didn't take anything else. There was some good reads on the top, the POC shift on the spike in volume. This is a good spot, actually. Speaking of what? Speaking of interacting with established areas, so to speak, this could be a good opportunity for rebid, not gonna lie. 680s. Just because we did that here before. But I'm done for the day, fuck this. So this I will leave empty. The goal I will add the same goals. Hold runner, BE or TP. Interact with established imbalance areas that bounced in the past. Right? The screenshots. Yes. Very nice. Mark as reviewed. Boom.
Anything can happen.
Anything can happen. Thank you. I do want to see what's going to happen here before I leave, but I'll be right back. So, -2 perfectly aligns with +1 on the week. Oh, I'm not showing the right thing. This is aligning.
Bias check-in. What is the current outlook? Are you trading what is? Are we imbalanced / trending or rotational? Is Vwap holding?
Vwap is not holding. That's a sign of rotational environment.
Big buy.
-3,000 delta. We are at -2. I would like to see this tagged, and then we can find a bid. Unless we sell off some more. That's a decently strong buying that came in. 162.
NQ, -1 touch. An edge is nothing more than an indication of a higher probability of one thing happening over another.
Thank you, Derek. So we seem to have found some bid, but doesn't look very strong. Hmm. They've left us to tag -2 in this area here, but we never reached it. Just about. This is interesting. This candle. That's a lot of selling. That is not equating into the same amount of movement on price. Would like something like this to happen. But there are a few barriers. Like this -1. This LVN. We also have this value area high.
Big buy.
Something like this could be interesting. It's a strong buying. That's some strong buying. Very strong buying, actually. Well, decent.
Cutting losses is an act of courage, not defeat.
True.
NQ, -1 touch.
Okay, that's interesting. Let's say something like this. I'm on simulated account. Just want to test out an idea. It's going to work out or not. Maybe not. That's too many candles in a row of selling. Maybe not. It's a good bounce off of this level though.
Big sell.
A little stop run, maybe below this low, as we've established here. Maybe even test this value area high, and then
NQ,
find
weekly
buyers.
+1 touch.
'Cause that's, yeah, buyers are still not very aggressive, not anymore anyway. Okay, here's the -2 touch under weekly +1 value area high touch. Now is the time for the buyers to step in, or else. We are at an extreme of RTH with pound buyers here. Let's see. So far, not much. Not much buying. -3,500 on the cumulative delta. Complete domination since this. Since
If there
yeah.
is no pullback, there is no trade.
Well, not really, that's not really true. Or? Yeah, actually, that was a good indication. Why is it not deleting? Okay.
Big buy.
Anyway. It's bugged out. Complete domination from this high onwards. Oh, looks like we are getting some buyers here though. Finally. Let's say I were to buy on my simulated account. Also, yeah, I'm not gonna move my TP1 just because we have confirmation of this level holding. So if we are coming here, I'm gonna take one, but there's potential for us to continue going lower.
Big sell. Big sell.
Some selling going through, it's getting absorbed, maybe. Did the buyers wake up? It's a good level to find bid. 3 different confluence points, levels. I mean, the buyers are trying ever since this low on the delta, or maybe it's just profit taking. But we are at an extreme for sure.
Big buy.
A decent amount of buying that is not really equating in the same amount of movement in price. So, not very good for buyers. Unless they really press on the gas. Price is moving lower, but there's not a lot of selling here. Like on this delta, minus 23 in the entire candle. That is not strong selling either. So maybe. Even if I get stopped on my simulated account, I just want to see if this equates
I never dollar cost average.
in a move up. All these wicks are absorption of of this buying actually, but there's not a lot of selling as of now. Aggressive selling, that is. Some aggressive buying coming in again, trying on the tape. Flashing a lot of flashing blue lights. Okay, buyers are showing some strength. Or trying. Trying to. Trying to lift it up. Although 54, 53 delta is not very encouraging. Need more aggression here. Minus 20 delta, like, yeah. Not a lot of, like, just nothing. And one side take over. Oh. I mean, they should have pushed at this point, no? Ever since this little push up in delta, there was not much selling. So I feel like there's still a chance for buyers to turn this around, but they need to wake the fuck up. Is this it?
First get better, then get bigger, then get broader.
Thank you.
That's just me being lazy. The books are really good. I just never end up finishing any. But
this is encouraging. Some decent or promising. Let's build on top of that. Getting absorbed a little bit. Come on. Push. Or are we done for the day? There was a bit of a buyer absorption there. Delta -2. Impressive. Oh. Nice push up.
NQ, -1 touch. You joking, yeah? 3 points away. I mean, technically we did tag -1, so it might sell off back down. Definitely is showing some of that. First get better, then get bigger, then get broader.
Alright, I am fried. I'm gonna call it a day. Then stop staring at my simulated account position. I was just hoping for a bounce, but the buyers are sleeping. Unless... No, yeah, I don't know. Doesn't look very strong. Yeah, anyways, that's it. Whatever happens, happens. GG. Have a good weekend.